Usap-usapan nga sa loob at labas ng Pilipinas ang ating foreign policy at ang matapang na pananalita ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Kanina, bago siya umalis patungong Japan, natanong ang Pangulo ng isang Japanese reporter, aling bansa raw ang mas gusto niya, China o Japan?
In Japan, the many media talking about your diplomacy, attitude of diplomacy. If you are more for China or for Japan, and can you tell me the truth? Like if you like more Japan or you like more China? Okay, you understand?
Between China and Japan, I think I love the Philippines more.
Pinapili rin si Pangulong Duterte sa dalawang kilalang fast food chains. Ang pabiro niyang sagot,
Do you like Jollibee or McDonald's?
Frankly, I do not eat, truly, seldom, very often. But I stick to bibingka and maruya. Native dish.